killing 55-year-old Terry Carter and injuring Clay Sloan with his truck in Compton. Fletcher and Culpepper could face more than 3 years in jail if convicted.
What up, though? This your boy DOC. Now, you know I've been doing updates on this Suge Knight situation ever since he been in jail. Conspiracy charges have been filed against 2 lawyers of Suge Knight. Now, we seen just a couple weeks ago, they were trying to slap Suge Knight fiance with 3 years for plugging an interview with Suge Knight and BET for that Death Row Chronicles. You seen they have cut off all communication with anybody except his attorneys, but they also been on top of his attorneys as well. Now, the article reads, 1 current and 1 former attorney of the rap mogul Marion Suge Knight have been indicted on charges including conspiracy to bribe potential witnesses in upcoming murder trial. This article just came out on March the 5th, 2018. It should be up on the screen. Los Angeles County prosecutors announced Monday that Matthew Fletcher and Thaddeus Culpepper were also charged with 3 other felony counts. In the weeks following Knight's arrest, Fletcher is accused of trying to pay off people who could provide favorable testimony at trial. In one instance, Fletcher allegedly told Knight that it would take about $20,000 and $25,000 to secure his freedom, according to the indictment. Culpepper allegedly arranged to have a confidential informant say that he would provide false testimony, the indictment said. Knight remains in jail while waiting trial for running over 2 men in January 2015 and killing 1. It's crazy how time fly by. It don't seem like it's been 3 years since that situation happened. Now, Suge Knight attorneys were released Monday on their own recognizance after a court appearance. They're scheduled to be arraigned March the 16th. Both face sentences up to 3 years and 8 months if convicted. Culpepper and Fletcher's attorneys, Mark Garagos, did not immediately respond to messages seeking comment. According to Channel 7 News, they say they are the latest Knight's associates to face criminal charges in Los Angeles County. In October, Knight's girlfriend pled no contest to violating a court order by selling video evidence that was under seal. Last month, a judge sentenced her to 3 years in jail for violating her probation. Also, Knight's business partner, Mark Blankenship, faces 1 felony account, each of conspiracy to violate a court order, conspiracy to obstruct justice, and conspiracy to commit grand theft. A pre-trial hearing in this case is set for March 12th. I know you got people on one side of the fence that's saying free Suge Knight, and then you got people on the other side of the fence that's saying keep Suge Knight. It seems like anybody that's associated to Suge Knight right now that's trying to help him get out of jail is getting locked up, especially if they're not playing this strictly by the book. You've seen Suge Knight Jr. go on his Instagram and vent about how he felt like his father is going through unfair treatment while being locked up, not being able to make any phone calls to anyone but his attorneys, but they're tapping those lines as well. Overall, the main thing that people, when they look at this case, feel like it's just karma coming back on Suge Knight. Regardless if they feel like he has something to do with Tupac's death or all the other things that he did while he was running Death Row Records. But this was just a quick update on the Suge Knight case. Make sure.
Alright, bro. Subscribe, nigga. Shit, you already know, man. Shit, David Kenner on lock. David Kenner tried to keep the nigga Suge in jail, nigga, so he could empty out them bank accounts. David Kenner owed 50% of Death Row at the time. Under Godfather Entertainment. Look it up. Now, I guess David Kennedy did some shit where he said Suge could only speak to his attorney or some shit like that. I don't know. So, Suge fired Kenner and got two niggas, and now they trying to lock these niggas up, man. This shit crazy, man. But yeah, subscribe. Your boy out, nigga. Anonymous.